അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് 2-3 പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ ഈക്വൽ ട്രയാങ്കിൾസിന്. ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്രോബ്ലം നോക്കാം. We are given two triangles ABC and PQR. Given that AB equal to QR, BC equal to RP, and CA equal to PQ. Then compute angle C and all angles of triangle PQR. ഇനി നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഫാക്ട്സ് 3 കാര്യങ്ങളാണ്. AB equal to QR, AB equal to QR, BC equal to RP, BC equal to RP, and CA equal to PQ, CA equal to PQ. So 3 sides of triangle ABC are equal to 3 sides of triangle PQR. Therefore, by SSS rule, what can we say? Triangle ABC equal to triangle PQR. That is, they are equal triangle. Then we have to find angle C. How can we find angle C? Given that angle A equal to 40 degree and angle B equal to 60 degree. We already know the total angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle A is equal to 40 degree plus angle B is equal to 60 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is 100 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That is 100 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. That is, angle C is equal to 80 degree. Next, we have to find the angles in triangle PQR. Here we use the property that the angles opposite to equal sides in equal triangles are equal. So, let us consider, so here angle C is equal to 80 degree. So let us consider side AB. Which is the side equal to AB in triangle PQR? QR. QR is the side equal to side AB. Therefore, the angle opposite to AB is equal to the angle opposite to QR. The angle opposite to AB is angle C, which is equal to 80 degree. So the angle opposite to side QR is P. Therefore, angle P is equal to 80 degree. Then let us consider side AC, which is the angle opposite to AC, B. The side equal to AC is PQ and the angle opposite to PQ is R. So angle B equal to angle R, which is equal to 60 degree. So the last angle is angle A. Angle A is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 40 degree. That is, in triangle PQR, angles are angle P equal to 80 degree, angle R equal to 60 degree, and angle Q is equal to 40 degree. Next, I have given you a homework question, that is triangle ABC and angle A 60 degree, triangle PQR in which angle Q is equal to 70 degree, and the facts that AB equal to QR, AB equal to QR, BC equal to PQ, BC equal to PQ, and CA equal to RP. So then find other angles of the triangle. How can we find? Here also we can use SSS rules. Three sides of triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equal and they are equal triangles. Here in equal triangles, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So here angle opposite to BC is 60 degree. That is angle A, which is the angle equal to angle A in triangle PQR. The side equal to BC is PQ. Therefore, the angle opposite to PQ is the equal angle to angle A. That is, angle A is equal to angle R. We have given angle A equal to 60 degree. So, angle R is equal to 60 degree. Then, we can find the next angle also with the fact that total angle in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, what is angle P? Angle P is equal to 180 minus 70 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree, which is equal to 50 degree. That is, P is equal to 50 degree. So, in PQR, angle P equal to 50 degree, angle R equal to 60 degree, and angle Q is equal to 70 degree. So, in triangle ABC, the angle opposite to AB, angle opposite to AB is 50 degree, and angle B is equal to 70 degree. That is, angle A equal to 60, angle B equal to 70, and angle C is equal to 50 degree.